Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This is a Lenovo USI pen or stylus for ideal pads, Chromebook. So anyway, let's go and then I'll open this up and then show you guys what I got. Actually, I purchased for this just in case if I need to decide to resell them. So it says Shenzhen Yuto Printing Company Limited Ltd. So this is from China, and you can see that it has a Lenovo tape. Gonna cut out the tape. Oh my god, I think I ordered too much. I thought I ordered 4, but I ordered 5 of them. So it says Lenovo USI pen. So I plugged the serial number. Manufactured for Lenovo, made in China. Let's see if I try to peel off the seal. Never mind. Just cut it. So it comes with this instruction. And then service support and then warranty information. So here's the stylus. What? And then that's it. So you will need to remove this paper, okay, in order to get the contact. What the? And this one is the Energizer battery. And this one is the quadruple AA battery. AAAA. Well, too bad it doesn't come with the rechargeable battery, so. And be sure to thread in slowly. You don't want to strip those threads. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. Let's go open my Autodesk sketchbook. What? Who did that? Oh yeah, so with this USI stylus compared to the one without it, this is more functional and more sensitive. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. I will do some more testing on this on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.